Curious what happens during a professional car AC check? Here's what we do to make sure your system runs at its best. Before we begin, we ask you what you're experiencing, like warm air, strange noises, or weak airflow. Your input helps us pinpoint the issues more accurately. Next, we hook up your AC system to a gauge by connecting to the low and high pressure ports. With the system connected, we check pressure readings, typically 25 to 45 psi on the low side and 175 to 250 on the high side, depending on temperature and other factors. Changes in pressure readings help us spot issues early. While it's running, we inspect key components, the refrigerant lines, the auxiliary fan, compressor, and condenser, to make sure everything's engaging and cooling properly. Inside the cabin, we check if the air is blowing cold and how strong the airflow feels. If it's weak, we'll check for a cabin air filter. If it's clogged or dirty, we'll recommend replacing it. If there's no air filter, it could point to a dirty evaporator that needs cleaning. If we suspect a leak, we use soapy water to test the fittings and connections. Bubbles will show us exactly where the issue is. There are other methods, but this one has been our go-to for its simplicity and accuracy. At the end of the check, we give you a full report and let you know if anything needs servicing. In this case, the condenser is a bit dirty. When dirt builds up on the fins, it blocks airflow and makes it harder for the system to release heat. We'll spray it clean to restore airflow and help the system cool more efficiently. That's what a car AC check looks like here at Autocool. Quick, professional, and done right. We've been in the industry for almost 40 years, delivering honest service and expert care you can count on. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. We don't just share AC repair tips, but also straightforward advice on general car care, maintenance, and parts testing.